Hi guys! Last weekend we went to Savage Creek Golf Course and driving range in Richmond. It was my first time trying golf and we decided to play their Mini Meadows Putting Course. Trust me, it was so much fun. So we got ready and now we are on the way to Savage Creek Golf Course and driving range. Super excited because this is my first time trying golf and the weather is just perfect for it. This place is really nice, green, open and peaceful. Savage Creek has a big driving range and executive golf course and also this 18-hole Mini Meadows Putting Course. You can check their website for more details. As we entered, the first thing we saw was the golf instruction and booking counter. If you want to try the driving range, you don't need to book. It's first come, first serve. Just grab a bucket of balls, rent a club if you need one, and start practicing. The Mini Meadows 18-hole putting course is also first come, first serve, so no advance booking is needed. You can just arrive, take your putter and ball, and enjoy the course. But if you want to play on the main golf course, it's better to book in advance, especially on weekends or busy days. You can reserve your slot online, and that way you are all set for your full course experience. Mini golf here is first come first serve, so no need to book in advance. Just go, buy your ticket and start playing. And I also captured how to book the tickets. It's a simple self-service machine. You can even take a scorecard to keep track of your game, which makes it extra fun. For weekdays, the cost is about $8, and for weekends or holidays, it's $10. Before diving into Mini Meadows, we decided to warm up a bit. Just beside the main course is a dedicated practice area, perfect for beginners like me. It's a great spot to get comfortable with your swing before tackling the 18-hole putting course. Now we are heading towards the Mini Meadows Putting Course. It has this beautiful wide gate at the entrance. Since it's first come first serve, you just wait your turn in a small queue. When one spot opens up, you can start. Luckily, it didn't take us much time to get in, and we were ready to play. So now we actually started playing Mini Meadows. The course has 18 holes and each one is a little different. Some go over small bridges, some are near little creeks, and a few even have water features. The whole place is so beautiful, especially with the fall colors all around. The leaves make it feel really cozy and scenic. Every hole feels like a mini adventure, and it's fun figuring out the best way to get the ball in the hole. You really need to focus, but it's also super relaxing to just enjoy the surroundings while playing. Best time to visit is morning or afternoon when it's not too busy. Wear comfy shoes, carry water, and go with friends and family. Overall, if you want to enjoy both putting and some driving range practice, keep around 2 to 3 hours. This time we are just doing Mini Meadows, which takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to complete all 18 holes. Next time, we definitely want to try the driving range. Open daily from 9 am to 10 or 11 p.m. And maybe even the main golf course, which you need to book in advance. Since this was my first time, I missed a lot of shots, but also laughed a lot. We both love trying new things, and this turned out to be one of the best weekends. Weather was perfect, mood was happy, and we came back with great memories. After finishing up, we just took a little time to explore the surroundings. The place is so well maintained. You notice the little details like flowers, pathways, and even the sound of the creek while walking around. It's really nice for a casual stroll and perfect for photos and short clips. We also noticed how friendly the staff are. They are always ready to help if you have any questions about the course or equipment. It's little things like that which makes the experience really enjoyable. Overall, even though we just played mini golf today, the whole Savage Creek area feels like a great weekend getaway spot. Peaceful, fun, and a perfect way to try something new together. So, if you are in Richmond or Vancouver area, definitely try Savage Creek Golf Course and Driving Range. Perfect for beginners, families, or anyone who just want to have fun. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what activity we should try next.